Welcome back, friends. Today we'll talk about something that affects every breath you take, which is indoor air quality. Air pollution has become a worldwide challenge no matter where you live. And we all know that plants are the only solution to beat air pollution, right? So stick to the video to know about a list of plants that will transform the indoor air quality and your health. Did you know that the air inside your home can be 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air? But what if I tell you NASA has come up with certain plants which can actually remove up to 87% of air toxins in just 24 hours? So today we are talking about a list of plants that you can grow indoors and that requires very less care and maintenance as well, and they'll improve the air quality of your house. So breathe healthy and stay healthy. Let's get started. The first plant from the list is snake plant or sansevieria. It releases oxygen at night, improves sleep, and it's ideal for closed spaces and bedroom. It filters toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene. Works wonders by reducing morning sneezing by 80%. And the best part is it survives total neglect as well and grows well even in low light. Just water it once in 7 to 10 days. So it's a highly recommended plant for cleaner air quality. Next efficient plant for purifying air quality is a spider plant. It removes formaldehyde and xylene as well as carbon monoxide from the air. It's extremely efficient at clearing volatile organic compounds from the air. They look really pretty even in small pots, and they can be easily propagated through the babies they produce. So it's a very good plant for a room with poor ventilation. And the best part is it thrives even indoors with low light. It's non-toxic to pets as well, hence a highly recommended plant to be grown indoors to improve air quality. Another superstar from the list is rubber plant. It absorbs airborne chemicals and it's a powerful toxin eliminator. It's a low maintenance champion and works really well in low light. Water it only when you see the top layer of the soil is dry. Comes in many varieties like the green one, the black one, variegated white one, and they look aesthetically pleasing when they are kept indoors. A highly recommended plant to purify indoor air as well as to decorate your home. Next in the list with the gorgeous white blooms is peace lily. Its flowers looks like snakes. It removes ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde from the air, and it also increases humidity levels. It's a very good natural humidifier. It improves overall air freshness and helps reduce eye, nose, and throat irritation. It's not very demanding plant, it just loves moist soil and low to medium light to thrive. However, it's toxic to pets if ingested, so if you have furry friends, keep it away from them. Next in the list comes Boston Fern, a top formaldehyde remover and a natural humidifier apart from being a air purifier plant. It's ideal to be kept in bathrooms and loves high humidity, and it loves bright indirect light and misting regularly. Next from the list comes Areca Palm, one of the best overall air purifiers, removing most indoor pollutants while adding significant moisture to the air. It's a very good humidifier as well. It's safe for pets and produces high amount of oxygen as well. And of course, looks stunning when kept indoor, and it gives an aesthetic look to the room, right? An easy to grow and maintain, and of course highly recommended air purifier plant. Last plant from the list, and a common house plant as well, and of course a fast growing air purifier, which is money plant or pothos. Comes with a variety of colors: marble pothos, green color, neon color, variegated, and they can be very easily grown in soil as well as in water. One of the easiest and fastest growing indoor plant, which doesn't require much of care and maintenance. It just needs lots of moisture, and it grows really well in indirect sunlight. It removes many airborne pollutants, making the air fresh and breathable. So these plants naturally remove many toxins, and they boost oxygen and make your home breathable again. So make sure to grow these plants, add them in your home without fail, and you will feel the difference. So which plant are you getting first, or which one you already have in your garden? Just drop a comment below, and if you find the video helpful, do share it with others, and please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. That's all for today, friends, and I'll come up soon with one more interesting video. See you soon. Bye bye.